Hi guys, this is Paco Aras Pacochaga, wishing everyone a happy Father's Day. Father's Day. Whew, that's a tall order to be a dad. I have 5 kids and I love all of them. I have 4 boys and 1 girl. And it's been a blessing to have all these children under my care. Pero ika nga, it took a while for me to realize what it is to be a dad. And noong una hindi ko maintindihan. Nagkaroon ng mga ibang times na inamin ko talaga. Dati ang dami kong anak pero absent ako sa buhay nila. Buti na lang hindi pa huli ang lahat. Nagkaroon ng opportunity for me to actually make it right with all my children. I have a 28-year-old, 2 16-year-old kids, a 12-year-old, and a 9-year-old daughter. Kung sino pa yung bunso, yung pa yung babae. But God has given me the opportunity to be a dad to all my 5 kids. Different aspects of fatherhood, like with my adult child. Syempre yung conversation namin iba na, ang kwentuhan namin iba na, ang jokes namin iba na, pati yung mga gimmick namin. Tapos yung mga teenager, yung dalawa kong lalaki na nagti-teenager, ayan na naman, di ba? We have to talk about girls, about dating, about what they will be when they go to college. Tapos yung aking 12-year-old na into video games, wala pa masyadong iniisip pero curious na sa katawan niya. And then there's my little girl. But all these things about fatherhood, napaka-priceless nito because just a few years ago, I had a baby girl. Ngayon yung little girl ko medyo nagdadalaga na. 'Di ba? Marunong nang mag-regiment sa mukha. And she's only 9. Hindi ko sinasabi nagme-makeup but makikita mo talaga na iba na. And reminder lang to sa mga dads na let's really take the time to prioritize our family. Because how much time do we have talaga? Hindi, Coach Pax, kailangan magtrabaho tayo dahil nagpo-provide tayo. Totoo yun. But, di ba, minsan, ano pa talaga ang gusto ng mga anak natin, ng partners natin, ng mga asawa natin? Di ba yung presence natin, right? Kaya, alam ko, as men, we're all about provision, but we have to take the time to celebrate our fatherhood. Not because we are providers, but because we are providers of our children's emotions, our children's mental stability. Laking bagay yun. Dahil, lalo na kung may anak kayong lalaki na muna, kung may anak kayong lalaki, tinitingalaan nila tayo. Tayong mga ama, tinitingalaan nila tayo bilang ehemplo. Paano ba ang diskarte ni daddy pagdating sa buhay? So what are we trying to teach our kids? Na mas importante ang trabaho kesa sa pamilya. If we're not around, di ba? Wala na tayong excuse. If you're watching this as an OFW and you're far away from your family, may WhatsApp, may Viber, may FaceTime, may Google Meet. Ang dami-daming paraan to continually go face to face with your kids, di ba? So let's make it a point to really touch base and focus on our family. Andiyan na rin siyempre yung hindi ko alam kung meron kayong hidwaan ng mga anak niyong lalaki kasi nakikita niyo yung sarili niyo sa kanila. Be gentle. Be gentle on your sons. Give them a break. Allow them to make mistakes. You're there to assure them that it's okay. O, di ba? Tayo rin naman nung bata tayo, nagkakamali tayo eh. Right? So let's not be too hard on them. But we have to be there when mistakes happen para at least nasasabi natin na, oh anak, ito yung diskarte dyan. Ha? Ito ang dapat gawin natin. So we have to be that to our sons, right? We also have to make sure na yung mga anak natin, natuturuan natin at natutulungan natin sila magkaroon sariling disposition sa buhay, to have backbones, to really stand by their decisions, right? It's okay to make decisions, pero palpak, taas niyo yung kamay niyo, turuan niyo sila ng humility, admitting that they were wrong. How can they do that? By you and me admitting na hindi rin tayo perfect, that we also make mistakes. Because if our sons and daughters understand that we as fathers are allowed to make mistakes, then it's okay for them to make mistakes also, as long as they own up to the mistakes that they commit. Diba? Now, sa mga daughters naman natin, let's understand that tayo ang first love nila bilang ama. Tayo ang first crush nila bilang ama. Tayo ang magiging benchmark ng lalaking mapupusuan nila. So mag-iingat tayo kung paano natin kausapin yung mga anak natin babae. Let's not be too harsh on them. They are our princesses. Let's make them experience what unconditional love is from us as fathers. Diba? Huwag natin silang bubulyawan or pagsasalitaan ng masakit. Let's not be condescending toward our daughters because iisipin nila na mahal ako ng tatay ko, ganito niya ako kinakausap, maybe normal to. Hindi normal yun. Tinuturuan lang natin sila na, baka pag minura-mura ako ng boyfriend ko, okay lang yun kasi ganon din ang tatay ko. So let's refrain from being that. We are not that kind of man to our daughters. We have to be their Prince Charming, di ba? Tapos, wag natin silang pagbubuhatan ng kamay. Kasi pag sinaktan natin yung anak nating babae, we are opening the opportunity for other men to abuse our daughters. And we don't want that. That's our job as men, as fathers. So let's remember today, if this is our Father's Day, let's remember who we are and what our responsibilities are to our children. Because how we present ourselves to them can make or break them and their children as well. Diba? Let's be someone they can be proud of. Hindi naman natin kailangan maging mayaman. Pero at least dapat mayaman tayo sa prinsipyo. Para nang sa ganon, marami tayong maipamalas, maipamana, at maibigay sa kanila na legacy. Na kahit wala na tayo, maiisip nila na, yung tatay ko. Cool yan. And you know what? Tayo rin. Kung meron tayong hinanakit sa tatay natin, as sons, as daughters, let's set a good example to our children by reaching out to our dad, by reaching out to our parent, our male parent, our father, and just saying, I'm sorry, or kung wala kayong problema, reach out, call, and say, I love you, di ba? Pakita natin sa mga anak natin na mabuti rin tayong anak sa mga ama natin. Because it all starts with us. And if each of us can be that person, we have much to go around with. So yun lang. I hope nagustuhan nyo tong simpleng vlog na to na wala lang, may show kami kaya minadali ko lang to. So sa mga ama all over the world, Happy Father's Day and thank you for watching this vlog. Give us a thumbs up. God bless you all.